In a world where the boundaries of terrain no longer limit the imagination, where the demand for power, control, and unstoppable capability grows with every new frontier, a machine emerges that is not built to follow the old rules, it is engineered to rewrite them. This is the Mercedes-Benz Unimog American TrainMaster, a creation born from decades of Unimog heritage but rebuilt from the ground up for American heavy industries, cross-country expeditions, high-capacity transport, and rail-assisted engineering operations. When you first see it finished in deep Arctic blue metallic, standing proudly under the bright white lights of a polished luxury showroom floor, it becomes immediately clear that this is no ordinary off-road machine. It is a mechanical force carved with precision, power, and purpose. The deep Arctic blue metallic paint shifts under the lights, revealing different tones at each angle, sometimes cold, almost ice steel blue, sometimes deep and aggressive like the dark ocean before a storm. The flared wheel arches, reinforced for both logging terrain and rail traction equipment, reflect subtle hints of silver along their sculpted edges. Every bolt, every hinge, every rail-adaptable mount looks hand-fitted, almost like a luxury timepiece scaled up to the size of a titan. The signature Unimog grille, proudly wearing the Mercedes-Benz star in brushed chrome, sits between dual high-intensity LED matrix headlights designed to cut through blizzards, desert winds, and tunnel darkness with equal precision. Below the grille, a fully armored bumper integrates a 20,000-pound industrial-grade winch system, dual recovery points, and adaptive cooling intakes that automatically respond to engine temperature and outside climate. The TrainMaster is built on a hybrid twin-boost diesel-electric system, delivering monumental torque of over 2,200 Nm at crawl speeds while maintaining efficiency and silent operation in electric assist mode. This engine isn't simply made to move the vehicle, it is engineered to pull, push, tow, climb, and operate in environments where most machines fail. Its rail-adaptive drive system allows the Unimog American TrainMaster to transition from road to rail operations, enabling it to operate as a locomotive support vehicle, a maintenance engine, a rescue transport, or a heavy-duty industrial crawler. Whether on steel tracks or rugged granite slopes, it maintains the same level of confidence and stability. The portal axles are reinforced with hardened titanium steel hybrid hubs, engineered for unprecedented load distribution. Each wheel houses dual-purpose traction motors that adjust torque independently, allowing the TrainMaster to maintain grip whether on wet rails, snow-packed roads, or deep mud. Massive 48-inch all-terrain tires with self-healing tread technology grip the showroom floor like a beast waiting to be unleashed. The ground clearance defies belief, almost unrealistic for a vehicle of this proportion, but this is part of what makes the Unimog TrainMaster unstoppable. Open the heavy-duty doors and the true nature of this machine becomes even more astonishing. This is where industrial engineering meets Mercedes luxury, where rugged functionality blends seamlessly with refined craftsmanship. The interior is finished in deep black Napa leather with contrast Arctic blue stitching that matches the exterior color. The seats, heavily bolstered and shock-absorbing, are designed for operators who may spend days inside the cabin, navigating challenging environments. The dashboard is a masterpiece of utility and elegance, dominated by the MBUX Utility Command Display, a specialized evolution of Mercedes' digital system built specifically for industrial and expedition operations. The digital cluster provides torque distribution maps, terrain analysis overlays, rail alignment systems, ballast weight displays, winch load information, and real-time engine diagnostics. The center touchscreen allows operators to view drone feeds from the integrated deployable drone system mounted on the rear, used for track inspections, route surveying, and emergency visibility. The cabin's structural design is heavily insulated to filter vibration and noise, creating a surprisingly silent interior even when the TrainMaster is pulling immense loads. The rear command deck is equipped with configurable mounts for utility racks, storage lockers, rescue tools, or rail service equipment. Reinforced tie-down points, almost identical to those used on cargo aircraft, line the floor. LED floodlights illuminate the vehicle's perimeter, making nighttime operations effortless. At the rear, an adaptive tow coupling system allows the TrainMaster to haul industrial trailers, rail carts, fuel tankers, rescue sleds, or expedition modules. No matter the environment, ice fields, deserts, forests, swamps, or abandoned rail lines, the vehicle is built to continue forward without hesitation. The suspension system is an engineering marvel, featuring dual-stage dynamic coil-over shocks with hydraulic articulation. This allows each wheel to move independently with absurd flexibility, keeping the TrainMaster stable even while climbing over boulders or transitioning from gravel to steel rail tracks. The entire underbody is plated with composite armor panels that protect the battery storage, oil lines, air suspension controllers, and powertrain components. Every detail of the Unimog TrainMaster conveys intent. The panoramic armored windshield offers a wide field of view, while additional side-mounted camera pods eliminate blind spots. Roof rails, in matte black titanium, support a 360-degree lighting system and auxiliary equipment. When illuminated, the deep Arctic blue metallic body reflects the beam's light shimmering ice, creating a visual presence unlike anything else in the showroom. You cannot stand in front of the Unimog American TrainMaster without feeling like you are witnessing the future of industrial mobility, expedition transportation, and off-road dominance. It is a machine that embodies strength without brutality, precision without fragility, and intelligence without complication. It is built for America's harsh landscapes, rail networks stretching through frozen mountains, dusty mining roads, forest maintenance trails, washed-out deserts, and construction paths carved into the wilderness. And yet, in the calm, pristine lighting of the white shining showroom floor, it looks like a luxury sculpture, refined, powerful, ready. The TrainMaster doesn't simply transport cargo or navigate terrain, it commands environments. It is a platform for engineers, adventurers, service crews, rescue teams, and anyone needing unmatched capability. It stands as a testament to what happens when Mercedes-Benz unleashes its full engineering potential on a vehicle designed not only for driving, but for mastering the physical world itself. When you walk around it, slowly tracing the angular contours of its deep Arctic blue metallic body, the sense of presence is undeniable. The way the paint captures light, shifting between icy frost and deep ocean tones, the way the massive frame rests confidently on the polished white floor, the way every component looks sculpted rather than assembled, this machine has personality. It has weight, it has presence, and when the engine hums in low electric idle, the feeling is almost mythical. This is not just the next evolution of the Unimog. This is the American TrainMaster, a machine built to move industries, guide expeditions, protect lives, and redefine limits. A machine designed for the future. A machine ready for whatever the world demands next.